Have you ever looked at French text and thought, how do I read this? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll quickly cover the French alphabet, the key accent marks, the most common letter combinations, a fast practice session, and a mini quiz at the end. Because by the end, you'll know exactly how to read French the right way.
All right, it's challenge time. Look at the French sentence on your screen. Take a deep breath and try to read it out loud. No worries if it feels tricky. Just give it your best shot. Let's see how strong your French reading skills really are. So, were you able to read it? Did it roll off your tongue, or was it a little tricky? Tell me, how did you do? Don't worry if that felt difficult. It's totally normal. Let's take it step by step. Come on, let's start together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Are you ready for the next part? So, let's dive right into the 5 French accents you need to know. They are l'accent aigu, l'accent grave, l'accent circonflexe, le tréma, and la cédille. Let's break them down quickly. First is l'accent aigu, or A. It points up to the right, and you'll only find it on the letter E. It gives you that sharp, closed sound, exactly like in the word café. Next, we have l'accent grave, or A. This one points down. When it's on an E, it opens up the sound to a relaxed E, like in mère. If you see it on an A or U, it's usually there to distinguish the meaning from another word. Third is l'accent circonflexe, or the little hat. It can go on any vowel. A cool fun fact, it often marks where an S used to be in Old French, like how hôpital used to be hospital. Fourth is le tréma, or the 2 little dots. Think of this as a separator. It tells you to stop and pronounce 2 vowels separately instead of blending them together, like in naïve. And finally, la cédille. This is the little tail under the letter C. It has one simple job. to turn a hard K sound into a soft S sound. It's the reason we say français and not franquais. Don't stress about memorizing the names right now. Your eyes will get used to them as we read more. Are you ready to practice with some examples? Café, père, forêt, Noël, garçon.
So, how is everyone feeling? Is everything clicking so far? I really hope you're comfortable with the accents we just covered. If it feels like a lot, don't worry. It gets easier with time. Now, let's switch gears and talk about something really interesting. Letter combinations. This is where the real magic of French pronunciation happens. Ready to see how they work?
Ch. Exemple, chat. Gn. Exemple, montagne. Il. Exemple, fille. Oie. Exemple, moi. Ou. Exemple, jour. Au. Exemple, chaud. Est. Exemple, mais. En. Exemple, enfant. On. Exemple, bonjour. Un. AIN. Exemple, pain. Un. Homme. Exemple, brun. Ien. Exemple, bien. Ouin. Exemple, loin. Oui. Exemple, nuit. Exemple, cœur. Exemple, sœur. PH, exemple, photo. TH, exemple, thé. Q, exemple, 4. T, exemple, nation.
Yes! Now let's do a quick review. I want you to repeat after me. Let's say it together. Ch,
Nya. Il. E. Oi. Au. E. Un. Ien. Ouin. Oui. Que. Si.
All right, now it's time to return to our initial challenge. Hopefully, everything makes much more sense now. If you still feel a little stuck, that's completely okay. Don't hesitate to replay the video and practice until you feel confident. Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. So, are you ready to give it another shot? Let's read it together.
Aujourd'hui, le garçon et la fille se promènent au bord de la forêt. Le chien joue avec un ballon près de la rivière où l'eau scintille sur le soleil. Madame boit un café chaud tandis que monsieur lit une question intéressante dans le journal. Les oiseaux chantent et le vent souffle doucement entre les arbres. Plus tard, ils mangent du pain frais et du fromage et le chat du voisin les observe avec curiosité. C'est une journée vraiment agréable, pleine de rires et de petits moments de bonheur.
Think you've got it down? Let's put your skills to the test. Pause the video right here and read these words out loud. Give it your best shot. Ready? Ready? Take a look at the correct answers on the screen and see how you did. Great job making it to the end. You've just taken a huge step toward fluency. If this lesson helped, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Also, let me know in the comments, which accent was the trickiest for you? See you in the next lesson. Au revoir!